Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to use import custom product option from Inkybay to create a new product. So let's get started. First, log into your Inkybay app admin, then go to products and click on import custom products. You'll see a large number of collections based on different types of products. Now you can click on any collection types and choose your products from that collection, or you can directly search a product in the search option. Let's say shirt. You'll find all of the products containing the name shirt. Now let's say we want to choose this shirt. Let's click on it. Now you'll have two options to add this shirt to your product list. One is by putting this product into our existing collection. Another one is connecting this with a store product. Let me show you this one first. Click on connect with store product. Now you can see we have some available product images and all are blurred. It is because all are being made customizable. If any of our products was not made customizable, then the image would have shown clearly, as we can see that all of our products are being made customizable, so we cannot use this option. So let's go back. Now let's try another option. Click on the select collection. Here we can see there is no collection list. It is because when I have created all of my collections, I did not create using the manual collection type from Shopify create collection list, and I have chosen the automated collection type. So in Inkybay, while importing a product, my created collections are not here. If I had created any of the collections using the manual collection type, then it would have been here, and I could use that by clicking on that collection. As I don't have any collection where I can put this product in, so I'll choose not in any collection. It will let me create this product and enlist it in my product list. Now from this menu, I can directly go to the design lab to see how I can design it. I can create another product, or I can edit this product. From here, click on edit this product. See, the product has been created, and I can click on the print area to adjust my printing area. Now I can adjust the print area. And I'm done. This is how you can use Inkybay's import custom product and create a new product for your shop. That's all for today. See you in the next video.